What material do laser printers use to create the final printed image? We have heated thermoplastic, we have heat, ink, and toner. But don't you want to know how laser printers work first? So step one is charging. A cornea wire or roller charges the photoreceptor drum to a uniform negative potential. So first, it charges up with negative potential. After the charging is complete, we have exposing. A laser beam scans the drum. Remember, the drum is negatively charged at this point, and it creates a positive charge where the image should appear. So first charging, and then exposure. Think about a camera flash. Charging has to charge the flash, and then when you're ready to take the picture, it exposes it. So you have charging, and then exposure, and then we have developing. Just like a picture would be developing after you take it with the flash, the exposure. So developing the toner, which is now positively charged, it goes from negative, it wants to be positively charged, it's now positively charged. It sticks to the areas of the drum where the laser has altered the charge. And when we're talking about altering the charge, going from the negative original charge to the positive charge. So charging, exposing, and then developing. After this, we have the transferring. The toner is transferred from the drum to the paper once all that is done. Once the toner is transferred from the drum to the paper, we then have fusing. So charging, exposing, developing, we have that transferring, and then we fuse our result. Heat and pressure are applied to fuse the toner onto the paper, creating a permanent image. That's how it's done. So let's look at our possible answers. Heated thermoplastic, it's for 3D printers, not for regular printers. So that one's out. Then we have heat, ink, and toner. Okay, let's rule out another one, ink. Laser printers don't use ink. They use lasers. They use heat and a toner. So now we only have two other options. What material do laser printers use to create the final printed image? Remember, the final image. This final image is going to be the fusing. The final image is developed in the developing stage where the toner, which is now positively charged, sticks to the areas of our drum. So it would be toner. Yes, laser printers use heat, but the toner is the specific part that you want to pay attention to when it's asking what material do laser printers use to create the final printed image. They're going to use the toner to create that image.